The cafeteria. It's a coffee machine over here. Yes, and refill is for free. So this is the IKEA food court. %50 off. Happy Friday 16th. This is chicken meatballs, 250. And this is the area where we have to keep the trolley. So we cannot keep the trolleys here or there. There is a parking for trolley section. So we have to keep the trolleys over there and then come. This is the food court. And we can find everything in 50% off. So we have to take a round of everything and then we have to come. And this is a trolley. We will take a trolley also. Rice. Excuse me. That 12-piece chicken meatballs. And with that, what is the combination? Rice, sir?
Sorry?
Rice is there?
No, it's not combination with the rice. It comes with a mashed potato, steamed vegetables and cream sauce.
Okay. So rice you take separately?
Yes, you can take.
Rice one. Vandala? No, I think we'll just have that meatballs. This is the meatballs. Mashed potato vana? Not. This is the meatball combo.
So anything else?
Yeah. Nothing.
Yes, sir.
Swedish. Black. Then this is the muffins. This is a long queue.
It's one piece of chicken meatball and one muffin.
Yeah.
Because the IKEA family member.
Yeah. In the app it is there.
Scanner?
Yeah, I'll give you. Since you have downloaded the app, you just.
Spoons ikkada ide.
That's time, huh?
Where? Scanner? Elidra actually.
In this count.
Continue.
Continue.
Confirm.
Oh.
Account. Scanner.
You give me the, for this you give me the number, right?
Yeah, my number, mobile number.
You can tell me that. That's
890
Okay.
41 95 459. Let me see whether the QR code. This is the QR code you want?
It's okay, it's done.
Done already. Yeah.
Just you can tell me the number.
Yeah.
That's it.
So now it's only half the price, huh?
Yeah, it's 255.
255. Yeah.
Previous was 380.
Okay. Now it's
Payment by?
Sorry?
Payment by cash card.
Payment by cash. 500 കൊടുത്താൽ coffee where you take it actually? Coffee?
Pick up the white cup. Sorry.
Okay.
You want right now?
Coffee. La. I can add it.
Yeah, one.
So we are going to add the coffee also along with this. And refill also will be getting.
It's a refilling fee.
Okay.
Inside the restaurant. After restaurant, you must pay the. Thank you so much.
Spoon over.
Cutleries are where actually the cutleries.
Spoons.
Spoon and
And spoons will get it over here.